Welcome back, everybody. Can you believe there are only 17 days left till Halloween? I know a lot of you have wonderful Halloween displays already up. I don't. I have like bare bones stuff outside. I feel like I have so much to do. And then I'm about to go on a week-long work trip right before Halloween, which is unfortunate. But I'm going to Florida, so I'm going to have a little bit of a side trip weekend to go see Halloween Horror Nights. We didn't get to go last year. They didn't really have it. They had a couple of haunted houses that they just had up during the day, and we did get to see those, but they didn't do that whole full experience, which we've gone to for the last several years in a row. So I'm very excited to do that this weekend in just a couple of days. We're actually going to be doing the RAP RIP tour, and that's going to get us to like all the front of the lines to the haunted houses, and I'm very excited about that. So we're going to see everything in one whirlwind day, and I'm going to try and take some video. Hopefully we'll get something posted, though you've probably all seen all the Halloween Horror Nights stuff all over YouTube already. And unfortunately, they don't let you like film inside the haunted houses. So that's unfortunate, but there are at least some fun scare zones that we can explore. So hopefully I'll get some videos up for that before Halloween. Not really sure how many more videos I'm going to get up before Halloween, simply because, again, work trip, I just don't have that many days left. And the days that I do have left is going to be full-on party mode preparations, and hopefully I'll be ready in time. I'm getting a little nervous. But today is a day that we are going to spend giving our patrons a shout out, as we like to do once a month. See what everybody is up to out there. And then since we've already done some giveaways this month, we are going to, like last month, do another video where we take a look at one of your Halloween displays and just do a reaction video. I thought that might be fun again. So let's go ahead and start again with a big thank you to those who helped support the channel. And we did get a new patron this last month, H Sylvester. So thank you very much, H Sylvester. Your support is really appreciated. And H Sylvester joins these other wonderful patrons: Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, B Hugh, Backbeat Janette, Carla Perea, Cathy Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie Eric, Brady Zone, Halloween Heathen, Heather St. John, Indiana Jones, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy, Kip and Jace, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Southern Screams, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, and Teara. Thank you all very much for supporting the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Really appreciate it. And as always, I do like to take a look with you out there at our patron YouTube channels to see what they've been up to since last month. So we're going to take a look at these in no particular order. First up here we have Halloween Heathen. Now it doesn't look like Halloween Heathen has done anything since our last check-in. And going forward after Halloween, we're not going to be reviewing all the channels who haven't really been updating. We'll just be taking a look at new material. But since it is Halloween month, I do want to make sure that all of you out there are taking a look at these wonderful channels with us. So Halloween Heathen does all things Halloween reviews, hauls, DIYs, stories, and more. All right, so next up we have Southern Screams. Again, nothing new since our last check-in, but I suspect we will be seeing stuff soon. Southern Screams has a wonderful Halloween haunt that's really amazing. You have to check it out, and I can't wait to see what they do this year because I know they're going to be back in business. All right, Josh the Inflatable and Tractor Guy can always be counted upon to have plenty of videos here. So he does love the inflatables, which is going to be the primary aspect of his channel. Look, even we're just only at a week ago and there have been all of these videos. Looks like we're getting a lot of Christmas merchandise being displayed. An 8-foot tall Gemmy Christmas air-blown inflatable living projection. Anyway, okay. So lots of air-blown inflatables. I've always wanted to get these this archway pumpkin. I've seen similar ones. I don't know that it had the trick-or-treat sign on it, but I do one of these years want to have a pumpkin archway to make my people walk through with my pumpkin army. All right, so again, a lot of Christmas. Certainly check him out if you're interested in purchasing an inflatable and want to see what it's all about. You can probably find it somewhere here on his channel before you spend the money actually purchasing it. All right, T-Cat Makes will one day make it, some content for her channel, hopefully. Spooky Bev as well hasn't put out any content in a while, but she's done fun Halloween videos in the past, vlogs, store tours, and so forth. Spooky Spectacle has a new video out. Just 2 days ago, we had a Walmart Halloween decoration walkthrough. So I did a walkthrough of Walmart myself, but it was pretty early on in the season, and I haven't really been back, so maybe there's some interesting new merchandise to take a look at there. And then I think this one we saw last month at Spirit Halloween, first online look. Okay. So Freddy's Zone has some amazing videos as well, and something new since we last checked in. Last time we saw her build some Frankenstein props, and it continues this month. You can see her crazy set design and wonderful prep ideas. Skull Crane Entertainment reviews a lot of animatronics and has a store with programs where you can buy animatronics, fix animatronics, and so forth. But let's see, since the last video, a snarling werewolf and this crazy looking guy over here. Acorn and Oak does a lot of decorating, DIYs, and card creations. And we've gotten several videos since our last check-in. Here's Christmas and Halloween 2001 at B&M. Don't know what B&M is, because he is from England, and there's a variety of different stores over there. But here we've got some autumn home decorating, some tablescapes, and just lots of fun inspiration and ideas. Last up here we have Indiana Jones, and she does crafting videos several times a week, often live, often dressed as fun and wacky characters. Highly recommend her channel. I just can't keep up though, so I've got to be selective in what I watch, but we can definitely find something of interest to watch. Harry Potter Halloween, Vintage Halloween, Sleepy Hollow Halloween, Halloween History, Alice in Wonderland, Mad Hatter, Hocus Pocus, Friday Night Live, Halloween Tiered Tray and DIY Storytime. It's just endless, but you're definitely going to want to check her out for a good time with your crafting. All right, if you don't have your Halloween fix on, you can certainly find something to get you in that spirit from some of those channels. Make sure you check them out, let them know that I sent you. But now it is time to take a look at somebody else's YouTube channel and the Halloween videos that they have posted. So we're going to go ahead and give our Magic Halloween Cauldron here a stir. What I've done is put names in here of all the people who have asked me to review their Halloween haunts. Okay, we're going to redraw a name this time. Hopefully it will be someone who actually has a YouTube channel. So again, if you want me to review your Halloween haunt, you do have to post it somewhere that we can take a look at it. So let's try this again. Our new person to take a look at is Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. Okay, let's see if we can find this one. So here is Roosevelt Hills Cemetery. Let's go ahead and check out the About page first. Welcome to Roosevelt Hills Cemetery, Manville, New Jersey. This channel is a glimpse of what our Halloween and Christmas yard display my wife and I put on every year, all for a nonprofit animal shelter in the local area, plus some random videos of Lemac's spooky town buildings of our collection. Okay, so let's see. They have 103 subscribers. Let's check out some of their videos. Let's see. Oh, he just made the 100 subscriber mark 5 days ago, so make sure you check out his channel. And he's setting the scene of a haunted yard. All right, but let's see if we can find his last walkthrough. All right, he's got a lot of interesting pieces for that Lemax. They did some Christmas projections here. All right, so we're passing Christmas, so we must be getting down to Halloween here. Let's see if we can find a walkthrough. All right, well, we had passed it. Okay, we have a couple of videos here. Roosevelt Hills Cemetery 2020 Trick or Treat. Roosevelt Hills 2020. Not sure which one to click. Let's check out this short one first. really like this sign. Okay, so there's the donation. The historic Roosevelt Hills, established 2015. I like the fog. Everyone, oh, I think that was a werewolf prop there. It looked like the one that maybe you get from Big Lots. Creepy music. Love that angel there. He has nice tombstones in his graveyard. It's very substantial. Kind of like in my graveyard, you know, I tend to use a lot of those cheap styrofoam things, but he has clearly crafted a lot of these and they look fantastic. Lots of different lighting. Looks like in the back there we've got some flickering bulbs as well. All the angels, especially lit up like that, are awfully creepy. Especially if you've seen that Doctor Who episode where the angels sort of attack you when you're not looking. Gives me that vibe. All right. Oh, look at that creepy thing in the tree over there, all lit up. Looks very kind of black and white. That was super creepy. Was that Scrooge? Ebenezer Scrooge? You could use that for Halloween and Christmas. Right. Another angel there. As we make our way around the cemetery, let's see. We have some sort of crypt here. Can't quite read what it says, but from 1560 to 1614. I like the little bird on the edge of it. That's pretty nice. Archways are always fun. Make your way to the front door. I almost kind of wish there were things facing the front of the house as well, so that when trick-or-treaters are walking up, you get stuff on both sides there. I love the groupings of pumpkins like that. I like to stack my pumpkins too. Just gives it more presence and fun. That swirling light effect on the wall there is very mysterious and creepy looking. It's like the portal to the candy. So we have Halloween Town. Oh, okay, so it's reminiscent of Halloween Town. All right. Well, I guess that was the end of the video. Let's see what the other one was. It might just be trick-or-treaters, but let's see if we see anything new. Okay, well, we didn't see this guy before, so he's clearly some sort of groundskeeper. Maybe a grave digger type person. It'd be nice to have a little shovel in his hand or something. There's the bird, the flickering light. So I think we're starting back here at the house and working our way back to the street now. I like the birds everywhere. In the light up. Okay, so in the last video we didn't see all these figures, so he's got a lot of the figures hanging out in the graveyard facing the sidewalk. That's what I was saying before, that it would be nice to see stuff on both ends. What is that guy? Is he like a headless? Oh no, there we go. It's just somebody in a shroud. All right, lots of figures. Okay. There is the wolf again. Well, hopefully they got some good donations. All right. What else? It's a little hard to see from the fog. I tried making one of those fog chillers myself, where it helps keep the fog low-lying. Not sure it really does much of anything. All right, lots more creepy figures that we didn't see in the last video. All right, but since this is an 11-minute video and we saw a lot of this, I'm just going to kind of skim forward a little bit. Oh. I guess now we are looking at the trick-or-treaters coming and going. Oh, that's a very cool costume. And these, I'm assuming, are the proprietors of Roosevelt Hills Cemetery here at the end of the video. All right, well, you certainly got a lot of trick-or-treaters. I'm very envious of that, and I think it's wonderful that you are collecting for a local animal shelter. That just warms my cold, dead heart. So thank you for that, and thank you for letting us take a look at your Halloween haunt. If anyone else wants to, again, just send me a message. I'll put your name in the bowl for next time, because this is fun looking at all the wonderful things you guys do out there. But that'll do it for today. So I want to thank my patrons one last time for supporting the channel. If anyone else is interested in becoming a patron, you can check out the link in the description below. And thank you all out there, regardless of if you're a patron or not. Really helps the channel when you like, comment, and share. So please do so. That'll do it for today. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Happy haunting.